What is Polkadot? What's the project's objective and how does it work? After watching today's video, you'll be able to explain Polkadot yourself. Hi everyone, my name is Tom and I'm here to help you better understand the world of crypto. Today, I provide you with an animated series of the most important aspects of Polkadot. So let's jump right into it. Polkadot was founded in 2016 by Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeier and Peter Czaban. Without going into too much details about the personalities, I think it's worth to quickly highlight Dr. Gavin Wood. Gavin co-founded Ethereum. He invented Solidity, the programming language of Ethereum, amongst other substantial contributions. Today, Gavin serves as the president of the Web3 Foundation, leads innovation on both Polkadot's native programming language, called Substrate, and also leads innovation on the Polkadot project itself. Quite impressive, isn't it? But let's now focus on Polkadot itself. The objective of Polkadot is to create a scalable, interoperable, secure network protocol. Polkadot describes itself as a next-generation blockchain protocol that unites an entire network of purpose-built blockchains, allowing them to operate seamlessly together at scale. Scalable in this context means avoiding network congestion when there is a lot of activity in the ecosystem. Interoperable means Polkadot is allowing these blockchains to connect so they can exchange information between each other in a secure fashion. Polkadot allows any type of data to be sent between any type of blockchain, which unlocks a wide range of real-world use cases. Now, secure means participating parachains, a term I'll come back to in a second, profit from the strong security of the Polkadot chain and don't need to worry about the security of their own chain starting from launch date. Alright, so scalable, interoperable, and secure. That sounds like a lot of marketing buzzwords. Is this technology even real? So, how does Polkadot work in practice? First, there is the heart of Polkadot called the relay chain. The relay chain is providing the security of the network and allows interoperability between blockchains. Then there are parachains, which are slots used to connect to Polkadot. Parachains are leased by sovereign blockchains with their own tokens for up to 2 years. We also have parathreads, which are very similar to parachains but are a pay-as-you-go model instead of a full parachain lease. Finally, there are also bridges to connect special external blockchains such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, let's draw up another illustration to get an even better understanding of this. Here you can see the relay chain, ensuring interoperability and security. Then you can see parachains, parathreads and bridges all coming together to participate in the network. All kinds of use cases can come together on Polkadot, from DeFi to Metaverse. Consequently, Polkadot does not believe in one blockchain to rule them all. Instead, the philosophy is that many specialized blockchains need to come together for the best possible outcome. Parachains, parathreads, is this new lingo even needed? But anyways, let's say I'm a developer on Polkadot. How can I get such a parachain slot now? Out of all the components, parachains have probably gotten the most attention in the Polkadot ecosystem recently, as multiple projects secured a parachain slot and are now live on the Polkadot network. So, how can a project get a parachain slot? To lease a parachain slot, blockchain projects have to lock DOT coins, Polkadot's native cryptocurrency, for the time of their lease period. However, these locked DOTs will be returned after the lease ends. Parachain slots are auctioned one by one, but auctions on Polkadot don't work exactly how you probably think. Let me elaborate. Projects compete to win slots in a so-called candle auction, which is a pretty cool auction style. In a candle auction, projects bid more and more DOT during a set period. At a previously unknown time during this period, the auction candle goes off and whoever had bid more DOT at that time wins the auction. Obviously, there is no real candle in Polkadot, but you can imagine this as a snapshot instead. Of course, each project has some reserves in DOT which they will use for the auction, but to come up with more DOT than the competition, Projects also look for investors who are willing to lock their DOT alongside them. In return, the investor will receive some coins of the project. After the Parachain lease period, you will not only have the native coin of the project, but you will receive back your DOT that were locked during the lease. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Well, it's not that easy. While returns can be quite lucrative, the exact amount of coins you will receive for locking your DOT is often unknown. This is because projects usually define a reward pool, and the more investors there are, the smaller the rewards for each of them. If you want to know more about the current auctions, you can track all auction progress on parachain.info, which I will link below. Now, auctions are not the only way of making a profit with your DOT. You can also help securing the relay chain by staking your DOT and earn a reward for doing so. Currently, you receive around 15% if you stake through Fearless Wallet, or 12% if you stake through a platform like Kraken. If you stake directly with Fearless Wallet, you need at least 120 DOT and you have to wait 28 days if you want to unstake. Both limitations do not exist when staking through Kraken. Investors have to carefully evaluate if they want to help securing the network by staking or if they want to lock their DOT in Parachain Auctions. Of course, also a mix of both is possible. So what did I forget about Polkadot and which project should I cover next? Write it in the comments below. Also, please subscribe and turn the bell on, which is completely free. That's it for today. I see you next time.